First warning weather with Jim Spencer.
All right, let's begin with the flash flood warning until 11:45 for you folks in Mason County. You can see the heaviest rain now has shifted up to the northeastern corner of Mason County and now into southwestern parts of San Saba County, and that is some very heavy rainfall. In Mason, two males in a pickup reportedly drove into Wolf Branch Creek, didn't realize there was high water there. They were rescued safely. Two girls trapped in a mobile home in Mason due to high water, also rescued safely. On Viper radar, you can see how far to the west this is of Austin. We're not going to get a drop of rain out of this thing tonight, but look at the rainfall that has fallen out here in Mason County tonight. 5 inches in the city of Mason, 3 miles northeast of Mason, 7 inches of rain. 3.5 inches across the county from southwest to the northeast side. And as we put this into motion, in fact, I want to show you this. I'm going to back the radar up, and you can see why there's been so much incredible rainfall there this evening. We're going to back it all the way up to the first rain shower at 3:30 this afternoon. All right, now let's put it in motion. Watch this activity regenerate over and over again over the city of Mason. There's one shower. There's a second one. It regenerates over the city. A little break. Here comes another round over Mason. Continues to regenerate over the city. Another one tonight. Another one about an hour ago. And one more just a few minutes ago. And right now that's all lifted up to the northeast. But that may not be the last round that we see tonight. So we're going to watch that very, very carefully. This type of situation can be extremely dangerous. And that's why we said earlier we really recommend that you folks out in Mason County avoid being on the roads tonight. It is especially dangerous at nighttime, these flooded low water crossings, because you can't see. Visibility is real poor. Well, in Austin, we could use some of that rain. We now have a 2-inch deficit for this month of May. We could get some tomorrow. After tomorrow, we're looking pretty dry all the way to June 1. So this may be drier than normal by the time it ends. Lake Buchanan, not going to get any of this water tonight. This is all falling in the Llano River watershed out there in Mason County, and so all of this will be coming to Lake LBJ and eventually into Lake Travis, which is doing fine. Lake Travis is 8 feet above average, Buchanan 3 feet below average still. Temperatures tonight, we're all in the 70s out there right now. By morning, 72 in the city, noon 83, 90 tomorrow afternoon. We could see a shower, thunder shower flare up. Mostly cloudy and 78 degrees at Mabry and at ABIA with southeasterly winds tonight at under 10 miles per hour. The mold count today was high, but better than it has been. Grass at 29 low, and our allergy forecast for tomorrow, again, high mold and low grass. Around the state, 70s and low 80s in most locations. There's an axis of low pressure that is situated right here that has been generating this activity tonight, attached somewhat to this area of low pressure up in Montana, but a low pressure trough there, a high pressure trough there, and stuck in between, we have a moisture that is pouring up here and moving nowhere. It's stationary, and as a result, we're seeing this regeneration over and over. Now, tomorrow, our computer model says we could get a little bit in our area. We're not that confident about that, but we do have a slight chance. Lows tonight, upper 60s to around 70. High temperatures tomorrow into the low 90s, except near rain. 72 tonight and mostly cloudy. Let's go 90 tomorrow, but an afternoon shower, thunder shower. In fact, a morning shower, thunder shower could flare up tomorrow in this kind of situation. Let's go 20% of the rain chance in Austin tomorrow. Just a real slight chance on Wednesday. And then that dry and hotter period I was telling you about, well, that sets up just in time for Memorial Day weekend. I guess that could be good news if you have a camping trip or anything scheduled outside. You're going to want to be around some water. Highs in the mid-90s. Well, on Austin News Today, tomorrow morning, be with us every 10 minutes beginning at 5 a.m. We'll bring you the latest on this Mason County flood